Student, today we are going to solve exercise 6.2, class 9, general maths. The first question, as you can see in the video, there is a diagram as you can see in the video, and we have to find that the value of x and y, and also we have to prove that AB is equal to CD. So students, let's have a look how to solve this question. Students, there is a diagram as you can see in the video. Exercise 6.2, class 9, general maths. The first question here it is given that AB and CD, and PQ is one transversal which intersect the line AB at E and CD at F, and given that x and y we have to find out, and degrees is given here that 50 and 130 degree. So let's have a look how to solve this one. Look now student, CD and PQ intersect each other at the point Y. So we'll write here now CD and PQ, CD and PQ intersect each other at Y. Now look student in the diagram, and we can say that this is vertically opposite angle, or we can say that, look student, EFD equal to CFQ. So here you can write that angle CFQ equal to angle EFD. So we can say that this is EFD, this point is F and value is Y actually, and CFQ, this is vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. Now look, value of CFQ is what? 130 degree. So we'll write down here 130 degree, and value of EFD is Y. So we'll write down here Y. So Y is equal to 130 degree. First one is over. We'll write down here that since angle CFQ equal to 130 degree, and angle EFD equal to Y. So first one is over. Now look the second one. We have to find out the value of x. Students, we can say that x and y here as a alternate interior angles, but before that student, we have to prove that AB is equal to CD. If we can prove AB is equal to CD, then we can say that PQ is the transversal and x and y alternate interior angles, and y is equal to 130 degree also, and x is equal to 130 degree. But here the degree is given 50, so we have to use this one. Now look student, in angle AEP, if I write angle AEP plus AEF, so this is linear pair. So now AB is a line, and PQ is intersect at the point E. So we'll write down here now. Look student, I have drawn this diagram into a small piece of paper so that I can solve these questions very easily by looking to this diagram. Here AB is the line and PQ is another line. Both the lines intersect each other at the point E. So students, we can say that AEP plus AEF equal to 180 degree linear pair. Now student, look, we cannot use here directly y and x equal to interior angle. We cannot say, because we have to prove that AB is equal to CD. If in the question it is mentioned that AB parallel to CD, if it is mentioned, then we can say directly that x and y equal to interior alternate angles, and obviously value of y equal to value of x. Now look after that student. Now look student, here we can write that, AB and this line is PQ. AB and PQ intersect each other, intersect each other at the point, what is the point? E, at the point E. So student, we can say that, you know, so here student we can write that angle AEP plus angle AEP plus angle AEF, AEP and AEF. So this equal to 180 degree linear pair. Now look again student, angle AEP plus angle AEF equal to 180 degree linear pair. Now what is the value of AEP here? 50 degree. So students will write down here angle AEP equal to 50 degree and angle AEF equal to AEF, this equal to x, and there is 180 degree. We'll write down here that the reason, since angle AEP equal to 50 degree and angle AEF equal to x. Now look after that. Now look student, x equal to then 180 degree and minus 50. 50 will come down here, so minus. So x equal to how much there? 130 degree. Look here student, value of y is also 130 and value of x is also 130 degree. Now look after that. So you know, x equal to y, it is true because these two values are equal, and we have to find out the value of x and y. So x and y equal to 30, so we can say that x equal to y. So here, you know, we can say that if I take this value as equation number 1 and this value as our equation number 2, so we can write here directly that from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, x equal to y. Now look student after that. But student, look here, x and y is a pair of alternate interior angles, you know. So if these two are pair of alternate interior angles, so AB parallel to CD, this is happen only in case AB parallel to CD. So student, look here, x and y equal, this happens only in case of pair of alternate interior angles. So AB parallel to CD will write down here. Now look after that, the last line will be like this. But x and y are the angles of a pair of interior alternate angles, so therefore you can say that AB parallel to CD, proved. The first question is also over.